Short from Hey Hey Let's Tow. Question, do you keep your blinds down in your caravan or do you keep them up? And we've done a bit of both. I've just got back and I've noticed after service they've closed all the blinds. I was just about to open them. I was thinking to myself, I've heard that sometimes that can trap heat inside between the blinds and the window and it could possibly warp the window. So do I keep them closed? That also stops maybe a bit of fading on the furniture and everything. Or should I just keep them open? What do you do?
Let us know.
Let us know.
In the comments below.
Yes.
Hey Ho Let's Tow asks you.
Yes. Definitive answer please below.